Hello, friends. Greetings of the day. I welcome you all to my educational channel, that is Hospitality Education PPT. This channel is actually made with the purpose of helping the students in the hospitality field, those who are doing hotel management. At the same time, the faculty members, for their reference as well, they can use this video. Anyway, without wasting further time, I start my lesson for the day, and the topic for the day, it is there displayed on your screen: the importance of different chopping boards in the professional kitchen. This lesson will discover the essential role of chopping boards in maintaining hygiene, preventing cross contamination, and ensuring food safety standards in professional kitchen. Types of chopping boards. There are mainly four different types of chopping boards available. One is made of wood, other one is plastic, we normally call it polyboard. Then other one is made out of bamboo and glass. If you look up at the wood, then you'll find that it's very renowned for its natural and aesthetic appeal. Wooden chopping boards are durable, knife friendly, and resistant to bacteria. The plastic one is very lightweight and versatile, very cost effective as well, easy to clean, and come in various sizes for different tasks. The third one is bamboo one. It's most eco-friendly and sustainable. Bamboo chopping boards offer strength, durability, and a natural resistance to moisture. The last but not least is the glass one. It's very sleek and hygienic. Glass chopping boards provide a non-porous surface that resists stains and odors. Material and its importance. The first aspect is durability. Choosing a durable chopping board ensures longevity and reduces the risk of cracks or splits that can harbor bacteria. The second one is knife-friendly surface. The right material preserves the sharpness of knife, preventing excessive wear or damage. And the third one is resistance to bacteria. An antibacterial material inhibits the growth of pathogens, safeguarding food from contamination and ensuring safety. Throughout the world, different color codes for various activities, especially for the chopping boards, are used. In this case, we are having four different color options: red, green, blue, and yellow. Red is designated for raw meat. The green one used for vegetables. The blue one is specifically used for fish, and the yellow one is assigned to poultry. The hygienic importance. Preventing cross contaminations using separate chopping boards. Why we use that actually? Using separate chopping boards for different food groups reduces the risk of cross contamination and ensures culinary safety. Second one is maintaining food safety standards. Implementing proper chopping boards hygiene contributes to uphold food safety standards and prevents foodborne illnesses. You are using chopping boards, but we should also know exactly how to maintain that for the purpose of food safety. First one is cleaning and sanitizing techniques. Effective cleaning and sanitizing methods to keep your chopping boards hygienic and free from bacterial contamination. That is very important. Second one is proper storage and drying methods. You must implement the best practices for storing and drying chopping boards to prevent moisture buildup and bacterial growth. And third one is regular inspection. Why to inspect and what to inspect? Mainly the regular inspections to identify and signs of wear, damage, or excessive knife marks that may compromise hygiene. Through this, we are at the end of the session. Thank you for attending this small session. If you like, please subscribe and share among your friends. And don't forget, your comments are very, very important for motivation. Thank you very much for the day. Thank you.